Here we see the reason for this little project. On the left, this is the key ring we have to use now if we want to open all doors manually. And to the right, the key ring of our dreams. We'll see. So this is the result of taking my lock cylinders apart. These are all the different key plates I found, and it should be 4 sizes, but I found 7 and I grouped them roughly. And since I'm missing a couple of plates anyway, I decided to order completely new sets and match them to the ignition key. Here's a little sketch of the 4 different sizes that are originally in the locks. As you see, the red part is what makes the difference. It's 4 sizes there, and usually they have stamped the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in it. Maybe this is helpful if you have a bunch of old plates with no numbers, so you can match them to the plate numbers or the values. So you can order a huge set of those at Volkswagen, or you find a Volkswagen dealer or somebody in the internet that sells single plates. So I ordered all the plates matching to the one cylinder I took as a master. And I ordered the springs as well. So in every hole there is a spring, and then you put in the plates in the order as you found it in the master cylinder. Once this is done and you insert the key, there should not be anything sticking out at either side of the cylinder. Maybe if your cylinder is a little worn out and single plates are sticking out a little, gently file them to be even. And done! First cylinder matching the master key.